name's John Kane, and I spent 6 months in Pilar as an intern for PLT back in 2018.
Hello, my name's Keith Palpy. I'm a retired fish biologist. I volunteered at Para La Tierra in April of 2014.
Hi, my name is Jisoo Kim, and I was a PLT intern in the summer of 2017.
My name is Noah, and I was in Paraguay in 2011, I guess.
Hi, my name is Johanna. I'm from Sweden, and I was with the PLT in the year of 2013.
Hiya, my name's Harry. I've been an intern with PLT twice. First trip was 6 months, and it was from 2015 to 2016. Near the end of my time, I came up with a second project. That brings me to my second time, 2018 to 2019, again 6 months.
Hi, my name's Hannah O'Malley. Back in 2017, I had the opportunity to visit and work with Para La Tierra in Paraguay.
Hi, I'm Vicky, and I was an intern at Para La Tierra in the year 2013 to 2014.
My name is Harry, and I'm responding to you from Sydney, Australia. My project looked at the ontogenetic change in diet of 2 fish species in Laguna Blanca, and that was from April to August in 2016.
Hi, my name is Madeline. I'm from Switzerland, and I interned with Para La Tierra from August 2018 until March 2019.
My project involved a species of tapeworm that infects the howler monkeys, and I was interested in the levels of urbanization and human interaction and how they actually impacted rates of infection.
I worked on several projects, but the one that I was kind of worked on all by myself was my idea was to help on the inventory of fish at Laguna Blanca.
My PLT project was on the distribution of freshwater fishes in Nambucú.
We did our final thesis there, me and Nick Bruin, and the project was called Vertical Stratification of the Marmosa constantinae and the Marmosa agilis.
And I was a volunteer in the Prime project.
I first worked with Para La Tierra as a graduate student with Project Dragonfly, Miami University's Global Field Program.
And both times my research was focused on herpetofauna, frogs in particular.
My project was using dietary composition to assess the ecological impact of the invasive gecko species Hemidactylus babuia on the native neurons of Pilar.
And I went to Paraguay to study the behaviour of the burrowing owl and differences in their nesting habits between pristine cerrado and farmland. And during the course of my research, I noticed some interesting interactions between the owls and another bird species called the curl-crested jay. So with the support of PLT, I was able to design a playback experiment to test these interactions. And this playback experiment actually became my very first scientific publication.
For my favorite memory of PLT, it's really difficult to pick one, but really the thing that stuck with me most was the incredible community that was fostered.
All the staff and the interns and volunteers, they made my stay really special.
You're not going to make better friendships than with the people that you're spending extended amounts of time with that are like-minded, and you're also in a place as beautiful as Paraguay.
Being there really felt like not only were you in a place of work, but you were welcomed into somebody's home. It was truly a community and a warm, welcoming space to be collaborative and productive in, which was really awesome.
I never thought I'd learn so much about fish and birds and other reptiles when I was interested in disease.
Pretty much everything. It was a new country to me, a new culture to me. All the animals, plants were new. Everything was beautiful and fun.
The nature is amazing. I really enjoy it. Since I speak a bit of Spanish, I was able to communicate with the locals as well.
It was a real crash course in learning how to work in the field, do some more intense data analysis I hadn't learned how to do previously, and just to execute a real project over just 12 weeks and create something that could be continued by other researchers and just something that you could be proud of.
The biggest thing I got from going to Para La Tierra was the development of confidence. Para La Tierra created an incredibly supportive environment for an early career researcher such as myself to explore new ideas and concepts and methodologies.
I also love how supportive and knowledgeable the staff members are, especially during the final months of my internship where I had a lot of data processing to do. They were all really supportive and encouraging and offered a lot of guidance to my project.
My favourite thing about Paraguay, I think, was just how different it is to the rest of South America. It's like a little secret, I guess. It has really amazing nature, incredible amount of biodiversity.
I enjoyed the research. So many things. It's an amazing place. I mean, it's really cool. It's really cool.
I've just finished my undergraduate degree and I think my experience with Para La Tierra has really benefited my final year and made things a lot easier, especially my dissertation, and my grades have improved a lot. I have since written a manuscript based off my findings from my research with PLT that I hope to have submitted for publication by the end of the summer.
And since leaving, I've actually still stayed pretty connected with PLT, and the past 2 years I've been lucky enough to teach a section of the primate course that's offered every year. I gave a talk at the American Society of Primatologists meeting. Any day now I should be hearing back from the American Journal of Primatology, who is publishing a paper.
Working with PLT expanded my network greatly. It was also my first real opportunity that I collaborated internationally and interculturally, and it really expanded my idea of how to work creatively in our field of experiential education and connecting with nature.
I was able to go on to secure a fully funded position in a Masters of Research, and I'm currently a PhD candidate examining the function of vocalizations in female birds.
Volunteering at PLT did definitely affect my career choice. I was there when I was 18 years old, so I applied to university to study biology, and I don't think I would have made that choice if it wasn't for my time at the PLT.
I'm currently a master's student in bacteriology at the University of Wisconsin. Wisconsin and all the other schools I applied to really found my internship interesting. It really shows a sense of independence as a scientist and being able to design and conduct your own experiment. Anything you do can really lead to a lot of interesting discoveries, which schools, jobs find really fascinating.
Very exciting. The research is getting published in a peer-reviewed scientific journal soon. I'm currently doing a master's in biology with herpetology. And PLT gave me the knowledge, the expertise, and the confidence in myself to apply to it and to be the herpetologist that I am today.
My time at PLT was pretty significant. It was a bit of a revelation in a way, because it really gave me a much clearer idea of what I wanted to do. Being there really showed me that ecology and environmental science was what I was really interested in. And after that I went and studied again and did a postgraduate. So it was a really important part of my life. And yeah, it ignited that I don't want to say passion, but passion for the environment and why we should be caring about it.
Considering how I'm still doing research and just finished my master's and I'm starting my PhD, I think it's suffice to say that the skills that I gained at PLT carried me through to where I am today.
It's a really fantastic place for early career researchers who want to develop more experience so that they can achieve the next step in their career, or for early career researchers who aren't 100% sure what path they want to take. Para La Tierra creates an incredible environment for you to explore your interests in a way that is going to enable you to achieve things for your career in the future, whatever path that may be. And I really cannot recommend it enough.
So to anyone else that's looking to do anything with PLT, I would say go for it. They're a great bunch of people. They really care about your project, and they provide an awesome, really awesome resource for people at any stage of their career.
If you're considering it and you want to be a part of a really amazing family while also doing amazing things for the planet, don't hesitate. Go for it.
It's an amazing experience, and everyone is just great and warm and generous, and I don't have a bad word to say about it. It's amazing. I would recommend anyone to do it.
Yeah, we have in Dutch, I'm from Holland, we have this expression, to throw yourself into the deep. The PLT is an amazing place to experience that. Throw yourself into the deep and enjoy your experience at PLT. It's amazing.
If you're anything like I was, and you're a bit shy, scared, not very confident, or you don't think you're good enough, I would just say, just do it, take a leap and do it. You really won't regret it, and it's going to be such an amazing experience, and you're going to grow so much.
Come in, design your own experiment, and then really do what you want and make the most of your experience.
Just take that leap of faith and go for it.
Honestly, just do it. I guarantee it's going to be a unique experience that will stick with you for the rest of your life.